Okay, we're leaving our urban camping. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Okay guys, guess where we're at? Glare on it. Cracker Barrel in Peoria, Illinois. Look at
Illinois?
This. Oh, sorry. Peoria, Arizona.
I'm still half asleep.
We were just napping in the Prowler. We got here about an hour or so ago. But yeah, this is for those you know Phoenix or the metro area. This is Bell Road, and this is the 101. Bell Road West and the 101. Now the Cracker Barrel. Yeah, I've got a couple of headlights ordered for Bear because you know there's that year they get all frosted. So got a couple, and they're not going to be here till tomorrow. Hopefully early tomorrow. It says it's supposed to be delivered today, but so anyway, we're going to pick those up, and Taylor and Peyton, whom you met in the Christmas video, Lisa's daughter and granddaughter, they're going to come meet us here for breakfast tomorrow morning, and then we're going to go pick up those headlights and head to Quartzsite. So come along. Okay, you guys, guess where we are again? The other Cracker Barrel, just north on the I-17 in Deer Valley. Yeah, the packages did not come in today, or they're going to be coming in late. So we're going to stay at this other Cracker Barrel, pick the packages up in the morning, fingers crossed, and then head to Quartzsite tomorrow morning, which would be better than heading in, you know, dark anyway. We've never been there before. I want to have plenty of time to find a good spot and to get set up. But Lisa's, we gotta, when I put the hitch in, I noticed the ball was just a little bit loose. I could turn it with my hand, and so we're gonna tighten that down. We're gonna put some smoke on it so that thing will not come loose. I've never had that happen before, but I guess I've never spent months at a time towing either. So yeah, we'll have to check that once in a while, but here we go. I was thinking it was 1.25 inches, and that's I do not have anything bigger than 1.25 inches. We're just a little light. So grab this and this, and we actually snugged it down a little bit ago, but I forgot forgot to film. I just wanted to show you guys what we just did. I got that to turn another maybe 16th of an inch, so it didn't turn much this time, but yeah, that was loose. That's kind of scary. But we got our smoke down now, and we'll be checking it more often. So
All right, be careful. Slide.
yeah, we got bear loaded this trip. Oh, thank you. Okay, see you tomorrow.
Well, hey guys, we are on our way to Quartzsite. Our package finally came in first thing this morning and picked it up, and we are on our way. We are about a half hour outside of Quartzsite.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. Daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days. Daydreamer, kidnap me, have me run.
Okay, you guys, we made it. We're at Quartzsite. 2 nights of Cracker Barrels. The headlights came in late yesterday, so we picked them up at 9 o'clock tomorrow.
Today?
And yeah, today, 9 o'clock today, and here we are. Show you this beautiful sunset going down here. There's already thousands of RVs. The beautiful
It's just
sunset.
amazing. As we drove out here, you used to see all these white specks throughout the desert. Just thousands of them.
Yeah, look over here. Look at the sun on these mountains. We're surrounded by mountains. You got a schoolie over there. There's all kinds of different RVs, home built, you know, van dwellers, big tents over there. I don't know if you can see that, but here's our setup. Got the prowler set up here, the generators. It's been chilly the past couple nights. 2 nights ago, it got down to 28 degrees, I think, and it was cold. And all we had was a propane furnace, which, you know, that'll go through propane quick. So we got the generator helping us out tonight. But look at this. so quiet out here after being in Phoenix for over 2 months, you know, close to that freeway you guys saw. So quiet. And there is going to be stars tonight.
There's not a cloud in the sky. It's absolutely beautiful.
Beautiful. But okay, I think we're going to go into town tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay, you guys, yes, Friday morning, we went into Quartzsite yesterday, forgot my camera, or actually the battery is dead, but coming back out, we noticed something. Tell me if you notice something. This is the road going back. The Prowler's just right over there, probably 200 yards. You see this big blank sign right here, and take a look. You notice anything? Yeah. Uh-huh. That explains a couple things out here the past 3 days. But look at that little sign. And you approach it like this. You know, we're sitting here looking at the big sign to see if there's anything on there. But you never know what you're going to see on our simple adventures. Okay, we're here. We're finally in Quartzsite. Been looking forward to this for years for me. You know, I think it's just kind of a rite of passage for full-time RVers or snowbirds or whatever. You got to visit Quartzsite, and this we got here Tuesday at about noon.
Yep.
And this is Friday. What you think about the whole two months and 1 week urban camp in Phoenix?
Well, I enjoyed it. I mean, I enjoyed it because I was around my friends and family and stores and shopping. It's something that you're not readily around when you are, you know, traveling across country. But at the same time, I'm glad to have leave the noise and the rush and the hustle and bustle. So, you know, it's kind of a mixed thing.
Yeah, it was a means to an end. You know, visit family, do the holidays with family, and that real estate deal that I did. But yeah, I'm so glad it's quiet out here. I'm so glad to be away from the freeway noise and the helicopters and the sirens and all that. But I enjoyed seeing my friends too. But anyway, so then we did a couple nights at Cracker Barrels waiting for those headlights. Cracker Barrels are so cool for allowing us to do that. Yeah, that loose hitch. That kind of. I wanted to make sure we got that tightened up. Boy, gonna have to check that way more often. But yeah, loving it here.
So quiet, so quiet, and a very rugged beauty.
So apparently we're in a clothing optional area.
I guess so. Surprise, surprise. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, you can look around here, and you know, if you know, everybody's so far away. We noticed we in our drives and you know, we took a walk around. We noticed some people you know, sunbathing. They appeared to be nude. I think that doesn't bother us.
No. I mean, we weren't quite sure. We thought they were, but you know, we didn't. Big deal. They were at their camp doing their thing, and everything's far enough away.
Yeah, and I don't think most of you would care as long as they don't come in. You know, nobody bothers you or comes into your space. Go ahead. I don't care if you sunbathe or whatever nude. But anyway, this is a new one for us. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes here. If anything crazy happens, we'll probably move. I don't picture anything crazy happening, but we'll let you know. In the meantime, yeah, but we did a Quartzsite yesterday. The camera battery was dead. I swore I had it charged. Otherwise, we'd have some Quartzsite footage for you. But we're going to be doing that it'll be for the next video. Quartzsite, boy, there's a ton of stuff going on in there, especially if you like rocks.
Yeah, I like rocks.
Anyway, we're going to end this here so I can get the video to you guys on Saturday morning. So love you guys, appreciate every single one of you. If you need something from Amazon, please use my Amazon associate link in the description. And God bless, and we'll see you next Saturday.
See ya. Thanks for coming with us.